How to check Scene points on Scotiabank app. So, due to the lack of accessing the Scotiabank app cause I don't have the requirements to have an access on the app itself, due to that I was limited on the information, but I'm still here to guide you on how will you do it. To access your Scene points, it's stated that you need to go ahead and go to the sceneplus.ca and sign using your card number and password, or download the Scene mobile app, free from App Store or Google Play. And also your Scene balance is also available through participating in Scotia online accounts. Also a way to check your Scene Plus points using the Scotiabank app, follow these steps. Open the Scotiabank app, then launch the app on your device and sign into your account. Then go ahead and navigate to your accounts. From the main dashboard, select the account associated with your Scene Plus rewards. Lastly, view Scene Plus points. Your Scene Plus points balance should be displayed alongside your account details. There's nothing much that I can talk about it, since I was limited due to the lack of accessing, just what I said earlier. But yeah, that's all about it. I hope this been helpful to you somehow, but that was it then. See you again in the next video.